can you support your partner to get healthy? Well, number one is lead by example, right? You know, if they see you doing good, they're going to want to do good, maybe surpass it with some subconscious competition, right? But most importantly, the positive feedback loop, okay? More than often, I see that partners use the negative feedback loop, right? Like, are you sure you should be eating that? Or shouldn't you be working out right now? And all that does is, number one, annoy us, right? Have you ever been told stop eating that while you're eating it? Like, that never works, right? You get annoyed, or you start hiding things in front of your partner because you're afraid of being judged. That is not good. So what you have to do is positive feedback loop. When you notice them doing something good, when you notice them trying, even if they're not successful, but they're trying, you mention it, you compliment them, you reward them, you give these positive affirmations. Oh, makes me so happy to see you go for a walk. Well done, being able to get 10 push-ups instead of 9. I saw you have that salad instead of the fries at lunch. I'm really proud of you. I admire you. I'm going to try that next time. Positive feedback loop, your world will change.